This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert a YouTube video on a Word document. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I have Word opened up now, and I have a little example document here. To insert a YouTube video on a Word document, first thing you want to do is go to your browser and go to the YouTube video that you want to place on your Word document. Say that I wanted to use this video here. I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here where it says share, right underneath the video. I'm going to click on share, and then I'm going to copy this URL right here. I'm going to click on copy. Now I'm going to go back to my Word document, and I'm going to go up to the top up here to where it says insert. I'm going to click on insert. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to where it says online videos. Online videos. I'm going to click on that. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to paste that URL right in here. I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste it. Then I'm going to click on insert. There's my video right there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that my video is selected. And I'm on the picture format tab now because my video is selected. I'm going to go off to the right side of the ribbon to where it says wrap text. I'm going to click on wrap text. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on behind text. Behind text. And that way I can move my video anywhere I want. I can pull in on the corners to downsize it. I can move it anywhere that I want. I'm going to place it about right there. That is how to insert a YouTube video on a Word document. Thanks for watching.